Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk about why are revocable living trusts so long? Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with me or with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay. I get this question every once in a while from clients. We send them a draft to look at and look at the trust, and it's like 30 pages long. They're like, why does this trust need to be so long? I'm just giving everything to my spouse, and then I'm giving everything to my kids equally. It's pretty straightforward. Why is this thing so long? Well, you have us to blame, basically, attorneys. And one of the things that we want to do, and what I want to do when I'm working with my clients, is make sure that sort of all of the things that we can think about have been dealt with, and that all of the things that we can think about are resolved in a way that is to your benefit or to the benefit of your heirs. And so each of these separate paragraphs that gets put into a trust is something that has gone wrong in the past, typically in the fairly distant past, that required a lawsuit, required a court, and then a new paragraph was built up at the conclusion of that lawsuit, or at the time when that happened and no one else wanted to have that lawsuit, to make sure that that situation did happen. It's clearly spelled out what the result is with your particular trust. Okay, so a lot of the language that you see in a trust, you may never need. Hopefully you do never need it. That is the idea. But if you do, if a situation would arise, then the trust has language in it that spells out specifically how things are supposed to be treated in that scenario. Okay, that's kind of it. So they're not long and complex just to make them hard to read or hard to understand. They actually do the heavy lifting before you need to do the heavy lifting, which is important. That's the best time to do it, because if you lay out and specifically sort of identify how you want certain things that happen, circumstances that come up, to be handled, then you don't have to litigate. You don't have to have any question about what's to be done. The rules are clear. The direction is clear. The trustee can follow that direction, and everything is all good. The beauty of this, though, is that these big, long trusts, they really don't apply while you, the creator of the trust, are the trustee, because you get to basically do anything that you want. A lot of people see these big trusts, they worry like their assets are going to be hindered in some way, handcuffed in some way, but in reality, they are not. Okay, as the creator of the trust, of a revocable living trust, you have complete control and flexibility to do whatever you want with the trust. You can move things in and out of the trust. You can change the trust. You can destroy the trust. You can do whatever you want with it. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. But that is why revocable living trusts are so long. All right, that is it. As always, if you like this video, if you got anything out of it, please hit the like button. If you're someplace you can subscribe and you don't want to miss future videos, hit that subscribe button. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. I will answer you. And if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. All right, that is it. I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.